We're about to have some fun with the sand! Let's do it! I'm gonna cut off a slice. Whoa! Look at that! It's like a cake! Okay, it's my turn. This is so exciting! Whoa! That's a huge slice!
Oh!
I could do this all day! There's something so satisfying about this. It feels so good! Check this out. Huh? It's not cutting! It's like there's something in there. I don't get it! Wait! Are you seeing this? What's going on? This is all your fault!
Ugh, I need a shower. I mean, who dares awaken me? It's time for Kinetic Sand Challenge!
No! Please don't! Ready for the next round? What's he doing?
I see you. Get it?
Nope. We need some help.
Why do I bother? Make a mini-me!
Why didn't you say so? Wow, these are so colorful. Let's do this. I don't have a lot. But I'll make it work. Oh, I have an idea. I'll start by breaking up the sand. Then I need to shape it. Here goes. I need to work the sand first. It's like baking a cake. I'll start with the head. I'll roll the sand into a ball. I'll press it so it's packed tight. Just like this. Then I'll do the body. Once that's done, I'll make the eyes. I need to be careful. I don't want to break it. Then I can finish with the crown. Hey, check this out! What the… Oh, cute monster!
Did you understand the challenge? I guess Mia wins again!
Whoa! I'm not finished! Ah! Oh, that's nice! Now for the rest! This is a great stress relief! I can feel my tension melting away! I should do this more often. Okay, I'm ready. Watch this. Wow! I'm about to blow your mind. I just need to mix the sand. Ooh, wow! That's awesome! How did you do that? It's pretty cute, huh? But there's more. I'll scrape away the sand. Oh look! Who's this little guy? This is like magic! Let's have a look over here. It's everyone's favorite blue monster! Whoa! That's amazing, Claire! My monster looks terrible compared to that. We'll, pretend this didn't happen.
Claire wins this one!
Woohoo! I knew it! Well done. What's under here? That's weird.
It's time for the next game. Red light, green light.
I have a bad feeling about this. A sweatsuit? We better not be working out.
Here is the next challenge. You need to cut the star out of the sand.
This isn't gonna be good. That's impossible!
Green light.
I'm not good under pressure. I don't want to do this. Let's get this over with. I just need to take my time. Why do we have to do this?
Red light.
Oh. Don't move.
Green light.
Phew. I better be quick. I can't break it.
Red light. Don't move. Green light.
Can you stop doing that? It's kind of annoying. There's only one thing for it. Ugh, that tastes so bad! Why do we have to do this?
Red light.
We have so many questions right now.
And it's green light.
I'm gonna throw up. You're not the one chewing it. Okay, I can totally do this. It's not that hard. Who am I kidding?
Red light.
Is it getting warm in here?
Green light.
This is it! The last part! I've done it! It's beautiful! How are you doing, Mia? It's finally over! Look!
It's a tie! You both did amazing!
I'm so glad it's over! Woohoo! Yes! I can get rid of this stupid star! That was a little drastic. Oops. I got carried away.
Ugh.
Don't worry. We'll clean it up. Nothing to see here. Sorry. It'll all be fine. I wonder what's next.
A muffin! Look at it. And it's all mine. No! Get back here!
Look at it go! Cool! A free muffin! We should split it. Aw, thanks, bestie. It looks good. My mouth is watering.
Are you for real?
Uh-oh. We might be in trouble.
That muffin was mine!
Huh? What muffin?
Why would you do that? I was looking forward to that! That's it! Make me a sand dessert!
Cool! We can do that. Wow, how did you do that? Look at all the colors! This will be the best challenge yet. Let's go! The orange sand looks a good place to start. I'll put the sand in the glass. A little more. Now I can press it down. This is the fun part. The sand is forming different layers. I'll try to make it nice and even. I'll do this all the way to the top. It's gonna look great! I need some more sand. Wait. It's all gone. But Mia still has some. It was the perfect crime. I'm sure she won't miss it. I'll borrow a few more. What's going on? This is the last one. I'll just smooth it out, just like this. I'm done! And I haven't even started. Oh, I know. I can use these muffins. They look so tasty. I gotta resist them. I'll definitely win this round. I'll place the muffin in the glass. And put a chocolate one on top. Now I can squish them. I'll alternate the layers, pushing them down as I go. This will be so yummy! This is the last muffin. I'm almost finished. Oh, it smells so good. And it looks tasty. I need to add some finishing touches. A little cream should do it. I wish I could eat this. I'll top mine with some candy. That looks great. We did so well. Where did it go?
Gimme! Hey, quit judging me!
So unfair. Bad monster.
Mia wins!
Aw, really? Seriously? I put so much effort into this. Better luck next time.
Wow, this game's amazing! Run, little guy! I'll never get bored of this!
I wish he'd hurry up. Wanna have a dance-off?
Oh yeah! Hey, I'm trying to concentrate!
Aw, I was enjoying that.
How about a sing-off? La-li-loo, yeah! Are you kidding me? Shh! I'm playing my video game!
Wow. She's really serious about gaming. That's okay. I know what to do.
Ooh, tell me! Watch this!
Here goes!
Hey, what are you doing?
It wasn't us.
Fine, let's get on with it. Draw Sonic!
Cool! This'll be fun. I'll start by drawing the outline. I need to take my time. I want to be perfect. That's the outline finished. Now I can add some color. This will be the space around the nose. All I need to do is stay in the lines. Now for the mouth. This is going well. It's fun. Now I can do the fur. This blue is perfect.
I suppose I better get started.
I've drawn a sketch on the paper. I'll use this black plastic to go over it, then fill in the eyes. I'll keep the lines close together. I don't want any gaps. That's the mouth complete. Now I'll switch to blue plastic. So far so good. Now I'll go back to the outline. This will help make it stand out. I'm finished! I'm waiting for the pancake to cook. I think it's ready. Wow, Olivia! That looks great!
Thanks! I'm proud of it!
Seriously?
I've almost completed the game!
Hey! Over here! There's only one thing for it. Where are you going? This won't be good.
Ah, you're mean!
It's your fault. Well done. Now we've got your attention.
You're lucky I'm not stinging you! Olivia wins. She didn't ruin my game.
Yes! I knew it! I'm starting to regret that.
Ready?
So close!
Ooh, fruit!
This should be easy. Oh. Maybe not. I can't believe I have to do it blindfolded. It's not fair. Okay, let's do this. I've got my supplies. I can't see a thing. First up, I'll paint the banana. Where is it? Come on. I need a little help. Aw, my banana. You mean my banana. I'll put it right here. Now I need a pen. And I can just trace around the banana. Who needs to draw? Okay, that's me. Oh, that looks pretty good. I'm proud of that. What do you think? It's okay, I suppose. It's my turn. Maybe I can use this tape. I can't use my other hand, so my mouth will need to do. Now I'll put it on the canvas. So far so good. I'll add some more diagonal strips. Time to start painting. I'll paint a circle and then fill it in. This is so much fun! Time to add the details. I'll add white dots between the tape. That's just what I want. I'll carefully remove the tape. I don't want to ruin it now. This is the last piece. Okay, let's paint some leaves. This green paint is perfect. I'll just fill this in. Then add a few more. That's it. Check this out. It's a pineapple. You think you're so smart, don't you? I'm talented, what can I say? Hang on. The real thing is even better. Wow! How did you do that? That was hungry work. Go on, try some. That's so good! Don't mind if I do. This is more like it.
Let go! It's mine! Stop it! Hey, what's going on? I mean it! Let go! Hey, over here! Boo! I'll never let go.
Hey, quit it!
He's talking to you! That's better. It's time for the next challenge.
Where is it?
You're looking at it. It's the best model yet. Wow, so handsome.
What's happening right now?
Still no idea? I'll give you a clue.
Oh. Still nothing.
I want you to draw me.
We should have got that. I have a great idea. I'll tape these 3 pens together. Then I'll start to draw. I'll start with Huggy's outline. Using the 3 pens at once gives a great effect. It's almost like it's 3D. That's the outline finished. Now I'll draw his eyes. And his, beautiful smile. And now for his tie. I'll start by sticking these pieces of card together. Then I'll bend this wire. I'll push the wire through the cardboard. That looks good. Now I need to draw Huggy Wuggy. I'll draw him in pencil first. Now I'll go over it with a black marker pen. That looks good. It's time to color him in. That's good. Then I'll do his eyes. And use red for his lips. Finally, I'll use yellow for his gloves. And his shoes. Now I need to cut him out. I'll stick him to the wire. When I turn the wire, it looks like he's running. Pretty neat, huh? It's so funny. Here's my drawing. It's a little different, but I like it.
Whoa! It's me! It's like looking in a mirror. Look at me go! Okay, what about you, Mia? Whoa, that's freaky. I'm getting dizzy. Whoa. I need to sit down.
Are you okay?
Leo wins this one.
Yes! I did it! I'm the greatest! Woohoo! I thought he'd like mine. Congratulations.
I think I'm gonna throw up.
Kinetic sand is so much fun. What would you build with it? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.